Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an amazing technique to bring your photos to life by turning them into talking heads synced with your audio. And the best part, it's incredibly easy and absolutely free. Let's dive in. First, let's open up Chrome. Next, search for Talking Heads. Now, click on Upload Your Own to begin the process. Choose the image you want to animate and click Next Step. Now, let's add your audio. Click on Upload Your Own audio. Select the audio file you want to sync with the talking head and click Next Step. Choose the size of your talking head and click Generate Talking Head. Now, let's give it a moment to work its magic. Simply click on Download to save your animated talking head.
Ah, got it. It seems like you want to subscribe to CO eCiter X and also want me to make the response a bit longer. Since I'm not familiar with CO eCiter X, I'll provide some general information about SEO, search engine optimization, and how it can benefit businesses.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy animating!